folks. This is not it's a Harbor Freight video, but I'm not really doing a video because I'm just putzing around, and I just wanted to say those green gloves from Harbor Freight really are pretty strong. They're pretty durable. These are Harbor Freight Vulcan Defender TIG welding gloves, and I don't know, they turn green somehow. No, I want to see how strong the rubber gloves are, and they seem to be pretty good. Like you can literally put them over rubber gloves without losing a finger. Because usually some of the other ones I have, either they're getting old, but you put them on, they just blow a finger out and they just rip. So these are pretty good. What am I doing? Not much. I'm just putzing around. I made a couple of videos. I was gonna make a video of me continuing taking that bike apart, but I'm not gonna do it tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm cleaning up a yard, working on the house, and doing a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, just to let you know, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe. I'm always doing cruel and cool, unusual things. I have lots of tools. My shop is a mess. You can see the floor of it now. Took tires out. You can see the floor over there because they took more bike parts out of here. I don't know. It's a short video. I don't know what the hell what to do. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a Master Welder series. So, and yeah, am I the only person that buys TIG welding gloves to do general work? Because I honestly think TIG welding gloves are the bomb. They are so much better because they get finer, so you can just do stuff, and they last pretty long. I don't know, I've destroyed about 40 pairs of TIG gloves, and I've only TIG welded like 3 times. So what does that tell you? I like TIG gloves because I find the regular gloves just suck. They're like you buy a regular like leather gloves, and they're always like this thick leather, and your like fingers. I find TIG gloves are better. With that said, I don't know where this video is going, so I'm just gonna end it here. And hey, I hope everybody's having a good time, and summer's coming. I hope you barbecue a lot. I'm gonna put some barbecue videos in here just for the fun of it. I still have my barbecue charcoal igniter that I made. Charcoal lighter. I gotta finish making a video and show spray painted in action. It was supposed to be last summer's video, but it's a little delayed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.